Good afternoon, everybody. So, this time I have created a vending machine using this FPGA, and in this vending machine, basically I have taken three input as item that user wants, and I have also given three different types of arrangement for user to give input. That is, he can give a denomination of 50 rupees note, 20 rupees note, or 100 rupees note as an input to this machine, and as output this machine will generate not only the bottle, coffee or chocolate, but this will also generate change to the user, and this will be indicated by these LED 0, 1, 2 and 3, which is pin number 16, 15, 12 and 11 respectively, and this will also indicate the denomination that has been currently entered by the user. For example, user has entered 50 rupees note, so 50 rupees in total to this machine. So the LEDs will indicate 0101 as an output to these four LEDs. For example, the user has given 80 rupees to this machine. For example, the user has given 70 rupees to this machine in total. So this machine will indicate 0111 to these LED 4, 5, 6 and 7. Similarly, if I have given 100 rupees note to this machine, so the LED 4 and 6 will get illuminated respectively, and 5 and 7 will be turned off. So I'm going to show you this particular example in which I want bottle, but I gave 100 rupees note to this machine. So I'm going to tell you this that this switch is for 100 rupees note, this switch is for 50 rupees note, and this switch is for 20 rupees notes. For example, the user right now has entered 100 rupees note. First I have reset it using this switch. Now I am going to enter 100 rupees note by this switch, and the switch for bottle is this P81 switch. So as a result, I enter 100 rupees, so I am going to get 1010 on these lower LSB LEDs, and I am going to get 80 rupees in return. So how am I going to get 80 rupees? Okay, these switches, these LEDs are going to give me the output corresponding to the change that has been generated by the machine. For example, 80 rupees has been returned. I gave machine 100 rupees, and I gave machine 100 rupees, and the bottle has costed me 20 rupees. So 80 rupees is going to get returned to me. So 80 rupees represents 50 plus 20 plus 10. So these three LEDs will be illuminated as a result of this. Okay, now I am going to again reset it and going to give only 20 rupees as denomination to this machine. So I'm going to get nothing, cause the money that I entered is equal to the amount of the bottle. So this bottle will be generated by the machine, and this is denoted by red color. Now I am going to give 50 rupees to this machine, and this machine is going to generate me 30 rupees back. So this and this LEDs will get on. So we will get these two LEDs on, and since we are giving 50 rupees, so LED 5 and 7 will also get turned on. Now I am going to give 50 rupees by this switch. So as a result, this and this LED is on, and these two LEDs are on, cause we have got this time 30 rupees along with the bottle. Now I am going to go towards coffee. So this time I am going to select coffee. The cost of the coffee is 50 rupees, and the cost of the coffee is 50 rupees, and I am going to give a note of 50 rupees. So I am going to get these segment of LED as blank, and these LEDs, these higher LEDs will tell us that 0101 has been entered by the user, or the money that has been given by the user. So, and I will get nothing back from the machine. I'm going to first reset it, and then I'm going to press this 50 rupees. So as a result of this green LED will turn on, cause the coffee is represented as green, which is generated from the machine, and 0101, that is 50 rupees was entered by the user, and he is going to get nothing back from the machine. Now I'm again going to reset it, and I'm going to give 100 rupees to the machine. As a result of this, 0101 will 1010 will indicate that user has entered 100 rupees in this machine, and I'm going to get back 50 rupees. So I'm going to get back 50 rupees from this machine. Only this LED will get turned on. I'm going to give 100 rupees this time for 50 rupees coffee. So as a result of this, I only got 50 rupees note from the machine, and I entered 1010. So we have checked this coffee. Okay, the last case of the coffee was I'm going to enter 20 rupees notes 3 times, and correspondingly machine will only generate output of 10 rupees when I'm going to enter the 20 rupees note for the third time. For example, the first time I'm going to enter 20 rupees note, then I'm going to enter 20 rupees note. The status on these input LEDs will change to 20, then 40, then 60, and when the output when the entered value to this machine is 60 rupees, then 10 rupees 10 rupees will be returned back via these LEDs, and this LED 3 will get illuminated. So the coffee, and I'm going to enter 20 rupees note 3 times, and subsequently after the generating the coffee, this green RGB LED will turn on. So for the first time, to only 20 rupees entered. So 0010 is shown by the machine. Now I am going to again give 20 rupees to this machine. So 0100 is retained in this machine, that is 40 rupees. Now I am going to again give 20 rupees, and this machine will return me 10 rupees as a result of turning on of this LED 3. So this time machine is telling us that 0110 is entered by the user, that is 60 rupees was given by the user to this machine, and 10 rupees was returned back. Similarly, again if we go for coffee, chocolate costed us 20 chocolate, the cost on this machine is 100 rupees, and if we give 20 rupees 5 times, then this LED will turn to blue. For example, 1, first I'm going to reset it, 1 2 3 4 and 5, and as soon as I gave 5, this LED turned to blue. Output chocolate has been generated by this machine, and nothing has been returned back to the user. So again, if we give 50 rupees 2 times, then this chocolate will again be generated 50 rupees for 1 time, 0101, then this will turn to 1010, and nothing has been returned by the machine, and as a result this chocolate has been generated. Now I am going to show you the last result, in which the cost of the chocolate is 100, and the user also entered 100 from this switch. So again revisiting our inputs, this switch was for 20, this was for 50, this was for 100, and now I'm going to give 100. I'm not going to get nothing back from this machine, and I'm going to get 1010 on this switch, which is indicating that 100 was entered by the user. 10 is for binary zeros, so for 10 is for binary 1010, and the machine has been generating chocolate as an input, and nothing has been returned back, and 1010 is the status of entered value of the user. Thank you. This was our vending machine. So you can have a look at this table which we have used along with the pin number, and this is the